Hi, I'm John Henry, the Changeover Wizard at changeover.com with this month's changeover tip from Frain Industries. Ideally, all changeover activities should take place with both feet planted firmly on the floor. Sometimes extensions can be used to allow an adjustment on top of the machine to be made from the floor. When cop hoppers need to be emptied, for example, instead of having someone climb up on a ladder and scoop them out, a dump chute can be added to the track. Run the sorter and the caps drop into a box at conveyor level. Unfortunately, many bigger machines will still require someone to use a ladder to access some part of it. Ladders are always problematic and by their nature unsafe. In the first place, someone has to go get it. Sometimes this is just a portable stair stored on the other side of the room. Other times it's a stepladder stored in the maintenance shop. Considerable time can be lost getting it, and that assumes it's where it's supposed to be. So sometimes they do it improperly. I've seen some pretty disturbing things over the years used in place of ladders. Chairs and carts with wheels are just two of the scariest ones. I've seen stacked pallets used frequently, pallets on a finger lift or a fork truck. These are significant personnel hazards. If you think getting the proper ladder costs time, just wait till somebody gets hurt. Other times people climb directly onto the machine itself. They'll stand on electrical conduits, machine panels, pipes, and so on. This is dangerous to both people and machine. At best, it scuffs finishes. At worst, it can bend or break machine components. If ladders are needed, my first choice would be portable stairs with a good-sized working platform. Be sure to include a bin or a shelf at top where tools or parts can be placed to avoid having to juggle them while working on the top. There's still the problem of where to keep them. If kept at the line, they take up space. If kept elsewhere, time is lost looking for them. Some of these problems can be relieved, if not totally eliminated, by building ladders, steps, and step surfaces directly into the machines. This step, for example, can be purchased from Grainger, MSC, or other mill supply houses and mounted directly to the machine. It's a bit small and not great for standing on, but it may be just what's needed for getting a leg up to a working platform. It folds up out of the way when not in use. This is a better idea. This company had a tray former that required adjustments to the top ram. They added a couple of crossbars to the machine frame to serve as a ladder. Note that they have non-skid material on the top of the rails. This makes the ladder safer. It also serves the second purpose of adding a visual indicator where to stand. They use black non-skid here. I recommend safety orange or yellow non-skid strips for better visibility. This machine has a small movable platform for the operators and mechanics to work from. It's normally in the position shown but can be moved out of the way when necessary. Note also the small step for when they need a bit more accessibility. You're probably always going to need ladders on the line. Make sure they're used safely. Availability of the proper ladder or steps will improve safety by reducing the urge to save time using a substitute. Here's another way to save time. Call Frain. Whether you need a machine or a complete line, they have a for rent, lease, or sale. If you don't know what you need, their experts will figure it out for you. Visit their plant in Carroll Stream, Illinois, near Chicago's O'Hare Airport. If you can't visit the plant, visit them online at www.fraingroup.com or call 630-283-8980. I'm John Henry, and I'll be back next month with another changeover tip. Thanks for watching.